Welcome to the Isabel PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in the Isabel PBX. This guide will also work for the Elastics PBX, since the Isabel PBX is a fork of Elastics. To begin, click on the PBX tab, then click on PBX Configuration from the dropdown. Click on Trunks. Next, click on the Add SIP Trunk button. Type in Voxtelesys as the trunk name. Type in the caller ID, which is provided by Voxtelesys. Under the Dialed Number Manipulation Rules section, type in Match Pattern 1 and 2 like this. Scroll down to the outgoing settings. Type in OB_Voxtelesys as the trunk name. Under the Peer Details section, type in the username, password, and host in this format. All the fields' information will be provided by Voxtelesys. Enter type equals friend, insecure equals port, invite, qualify equals yes, disallow equals all, and allow equals ULaw ampersand ALaw. In the user context field, type in IB_Voxtelesys. Under user details, type in qualify equals yes. Type in the register string in the following format: username, password @domain. Click on Submit Changes when you're finished, then click on Apply Changes. To check and see that your trunk is registered, click on Tools under the PBX tab. Click on *CLI, then execute the SIP show registry command. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in the Isabel PBX. Check back for more videos on Isabel, as well as other helpful guides.